So the questions, as we enter into this question session, do as we've done for all these other 5 traits of Ocean. Have people stand in their high propensity or their low propensity or their medium propensity. And then while you're standing, answer these 4 questions. And you'll see this interesting dialogue happen between you and your team as you go forward and answer these questions. And you guessed it, the question is, what advantages are there to having high amounts of neuroticism? So if you've got high amounts, what advantages are there? Let other people know. Maybe people who have lower have made some observations about how the people high in neuroticism have brought good things to your team. Question number 3. What advantages are there to having low amounts of neuroticism? What does it feel like for you to be low in neuroticism? Discuss that with your team. Question number 4. What advantages are there to having middling amounts of neuroticism? If you're in the middle, what kind of perspective do you have between the people on your team and in your picture of the world? So those are our questions for you to discuss. And that brings us to the end of our personality science section on neuroticism. And neuroticism, of course, has 2 subtraits of volatility and withdrawal. That means they're either actively engaging in fixing the danger or moving away from the danger. Again, encourage people to release the awesomeness in this trait. Whether you have lots of it or you have little of it, you're an awesome individual who are going to play an important role on your team and to yourself in life. Use your traits to their fullest, embrace them, help them become even more effective in their interactions with others by understanding them. So that brings us to the end of lesson number 7. We've made it through the 5 personality traits. And now we're going to be talking about 2 other ways to look at this within our team and community context in order to understand how personalities fit into all of this bigger world that we call our workplace or our organization. And so thanks for joining us for lesson number 7. And we'll hope you'll join us next on lesson number 8.